Hello, this is your TI-84 maximum, minimum, and zeros assignment. You will do this assignment after you've watched the two recordings. They're not me, but they're another gentleman who's done a very nice job with maximum and minimum, and then he did zeros on a separate recording. So what I'd like you to do to show that you know how to use your TI-84 calculator is sketch a picture, and a sketch isn't that exact, so please don't spend a whole bunch of time making the sketch. Just make it look reasonably close. You'll need an X and Y axis, and then things will need to fall in a kind of close to where they should be, but they don't need to be perfect. You're going to sketch a picture of the graph from your calculator. Then you're going to label the maximum, the minimum, and zeros. You're going to round them to the hundredths. Okay, so again, here's your number one. F of x equals x cubed minus 2x squared plus 4. You're going to sketch the graph, and then you're going to label the maximum and minimum coordinates. Make sure that you write them as coordinates, x and y, ordered pairs. You can round them if need be. You'll round to the hundredths if you need to. And the zeros are the x-intercept. You can write x equals, and that would be great, but please note that the ordered pairs for x-intercepts are always going to be some number and zero. So x value, x-coordinate value, and 0. You'll do the same for number 2. F of x equals x to the fourth minus 3x cubed minus x squared plus 6x minus 4. Now, there are just a few of you who might not have the TI-84. If that's the situation, any graphing calculator will have similarities to the TI-84, and I'm sure you can probably, between your book and these recordings, figure this out. And you can use your calculator to do that as well. You do not have to have the TI-84 graphing calculator, but you do have to have a graphing calculator. Anyway, we'll be going over this, and then you'll have a quiz on it. So make sure you watch those recordings first, and then you do the assignment.